Hello friends! As promised, the company Audi presented the final version of its sports coupe R8. If you are unaware of the most recent developments, I'll remind you that the Audi is already developing an electric sport vehicle to replace its gasoline counterpart, and the German coupe will be done soon. The German automaker has released a limited edition of the rear-wheel variant R8 GT to properly say goodbye to such a pretty well-known and significant model in the company's line. Audi doesn't dispute the fact that the exclusive edition inherits the exact same model as the first generation, if you examine the innovation attentively. The novelty is painted in the same body color as the original R8 GT. Also, it includes a specifically designed carbon aerodynamic equipment, as well as a large rear wing. A sufficient number of elements were created from it to reduce the novelty's weight. From some point, engineers were successful. The next generation R8 GT is lighter than the nearest brother by as much as 20 kilograms. That is 1570 kilograms, which is not so much by the standards of even this class. The business is so particular about this issue that they equipped the car with the premium ultralight 20-inch wheels, covered in rubber Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2. Bucket seats and ceramic brakes are features of the base model of the Auto, both of which help the vehicle lose weight. However, the business decided that this was insufficient and changed some of the front suspension's components. The front stabilizer and its connecting rods were upgraded in particular. These components are now composed of carbon fiber-based plastic, which definitely contributed to the success of the new canopies, as well as the two front drag joints, which are composed of aluminum and have red anodizing. In general, this is a lot red in car, although it's mostly seen inside, starting with the red stitches and finishing with the red safety belts. They have the same design as the Audi R8 GT from the original generation. The company didn't pass on a chance to cover the uniqueness with a variety of R8 badges and signs, ensuring that you will never forget which vehicle you are in. The new R8 drives the same 5.2-liter atmospheric V10 when moving, with the exception that it is highly inflated. The output has increased to 620 horsepower and 565 Nm of torque. In contrast with the standard rear-wheel drive, it has 15 more Nm and 50 more horsepower. A 7-speed double-clutch modified robot is used to convey all of this power. To increase the coupe's top speed and improve its acceleration, the engineers redesigned gearbox, reduced the shifting time, and changed the gear aeration itself. The first 100 novelty develops in 3.4 seconds, which is 0.4 seconds quicker than the standard version. The second 100 novelty develops in 10.1 seconds. And if you keep pushing the gas, you will reach the limitation at 320 km per hour. There is a new fashion drift mode in the arsenal of new items, with 7 preset modes, which will allow you to imitate a different amount of skid and have fun. The company will produce 333 copies of this R8 in total. If you like this coupe, you should act quickly, because each car is expected to cost $211,000. That is all I've got for you today. Subscribe to the channel to avoid missing new episodes. Good luck to everyone and see you in the next video.